Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
My husband and my son were in need of dress coats this year, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that we found the best dress coats we have ever owned. This beautiful coat from INVACHI not only keeps my boys warm and cozy through the cold winter months, but also keeps them looking good while it does it. There are so many things that I love about this coat, but I think my favorite is the durable, thick material that it's made out of. I know this coat is going to last my boys for years to come. The buttons are sewn on strong and the lining is durable and well stitched. And I love the detachable scarf that comes with the coat. It has plenty of deep pockets, 4 on the outside and 1 on the inside. And even the detachable scarf is made from a strong, thick material. It's going to keep my boys looking good and staying warm. This coat comes in many different styles and colors, but I love the versatility of this gray one. It goes with so many outfits, whether they're dressing up or they have a casual look with jeans. My boys are ready for it all. Another thing that I absolutely love about this coat is how thick it is. These can be worn on the coldest of winter days, and they're going to keep you nice and toasty. So if you're looking for a beautiful, versatile winter coat that will last you forever, then I highly recommend this beautiful coat from INVACHI.
And that's my point of view.